Hello everyone, my name is Naqeeb and this is my project.
The project is a compact and versatile marine propulsion solution designed for portability, safety, efficiency, and easy control. Its snap on modular design allows quick installation, secure removal, multi boat use, and simple storage. Smart sensors provide obstacle avoidance, safer and more efficient navigation. Gesture based steering also makes the system easier to control, more comfortable to use, and simpler for beginners to learn.
Now I'll explain all the components in this project. The stepper motor, the DC motor, the OLED, followed by the accelerometer, finally the ultrasonic sensor. This is how my project works. When I move my accelerometer forward, only the DC motor moves in the certain direction. When I move it to the right side, the stepper motor also moves to the left side. When I move it to the left side, the DC motor also moves with it to the left side. And when I do in a backward direction, it's both of them stop moving. And also there's an ultrasonic sensor which the buzzer starts beeping if there's any object under 15 centimeter. It shows a distance over here and also shows the object ahead if there's any object. Now I will demonstrate the movements. To start the device, I will move the accelerometer forward. To change directions, when I move the accelerometer to the right, the DC motor and the stepper motors moves left, like this, and vice versa. And to stop, I move the accelerometer behind. This is my code. Thank you.